Choose a subject you're familiar with or can speak about easily. Keep it short and to the point. Jot down key points or a rough script. This will save you time while recording and ensure you stay on track. Find a quiet, well-lit spot. Natural lighting works best, or use a lamp. Ensure no distractions or background noise. Use your phone or webcam if you don't have a dedicated camera. Ensure it's stable by using a tripod. If possible, use an external mic for clearer sound. The built-in mic on your phone can also work. Aim for a concise video. 2 to 5 minutes is ideal for quick production. Engage with your audience by speaking clearly and naturally. Use extra footage or images, and prepare it ahead of time or shoot as you go. Programs like iMovie for Mac or mobile apps like InShot can help you edit fast. Trim out long pauses, mistakes, or filler. Add a simple title, intro, or subtitles to enhance clarity and engagement. Create a catchy title, add relevant keywords, and write a brief description. Add relevant tags for better discoverability. Use a simple thumbnail with clear text or a screenshot from the video. Focus on basic cuts, leave advanced edits for later videos. Reuse existing footage or templates from similar videos. Try not to overthink every step. Push through imperfections.